Hi, this is Sir Romy again. What will be our topic for today? What you will learn? Finding the cube of a binomial. And then I will give you an inspirational message. 5 things to quit right now. Trying to please everyone, fearing change, living in the past, putting yourself down, and overthinking. Again, 5 things to quit right now. Trying to please everyone, fearing change, living in the past, putting yourself down, and overthinking. So we are done with the square of a binomial and also the product of the sum and difference of two terms. Now our topic for today is about finding the cube of a binomial. Cube of a binomial. So let's take this example. A plus B cube. Cube of a binomial. Two terms. So what do you mean by this? A certain number raised to an exponent. You have to multiply that number to itself. So this will become what? A plus B times A plus B times A plus B. 3 times. Okay. Now, we have studied this before. The square of a binomial. So, how will you get this? How will you find the product? Square the first term plus twice the product of the first and second term plus square the last term. So this will be your answer. Times. Now you multiply this to the last binomial. Now next, what have we studied before? You have to multiply the first term to the whole set, the second term to the whole set, and the third term to the whole set. So this will become what? A squared times A plus A squared times B plus 2AB times A plus 2AB times B plus B squared times A plus B squared times B. Okay, so let's put a small here. Now, simplify. Product rule of exponent. Same base. Same base. Copy the base, add the exponent. 2 plus 1 is 3. Next, A squared B plus 2. A times A is A squared plus 2A. B times B is B squared plus, okay, A comes first. A, B squared plus B cubed. B squared times B. Okay, so this will become what? Are there like terms? Yes, there are like terms. Same base, same exponents. Same base, same exponents. So you can combine these two. You can combine these two. This will become what? A cube plus 1 A squared B plus 2 A squared B. 1 plus 2 is 3. A squared B. Just copy the variables. 2 plus 1, 3. A B squared. Copy the variables. Plus B cubed. So this will be our pattern. This will become our pattern. So if you encounter a binomial raised to the third power or cube, this will be your pattern. You will not undergo this process anymore. So A plus B cube is equals to A cube plus 3A squared B plus 3AB squared plus B cube. Okay, so let's take this pattern. A plus B cube is equals to A cube plus 3A squared B plus 3AB squared plus B cube. That will be our pattern. Okay, so How about if the second term is negative? Okay, let's derive the pattern. Supposing a minus b cubed, the second term is negative. Okay, this will become what? Again, a minus b times a minus b times a minus b. Now, the square of binomial. Square the first term, then minus twice the product of the first and second term plus square the last term. Okay, this will be the result of your a minus b times a minus b. Then multiply to the last binomial. Again, same process. First term multiply to the whole set, second term multiply to the whole set, third term multiply to the whole set. This will become what? A squared times a squared times a plus a squared times negative b. Next, negative 2ab times a negative 2ab times negative b. Then, plus b squared times a plus b squared times negative b. Okay, can you follow? Next, simplify the product rule of exponent. This will become what? Copy the base, add the exponent. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then, this will become what? Positive, negative. This will become negative. A squared b. Negative times positive. Negative 2. A times a is a squared. B. Negative times negative will become positive. 2ab squared. Then positive ab squared. Copy the, write the a before b. Then positive times negative is negative b. Then add the exponents. Now, are there like terms? Yes. These are like terms. These are like terms. Same base, same exponents. Same base, same exponents. So this will become what? A cube. Negative 1 plus negative 2 is negative 3. A squared b. Then positive and positive will become 2 plus 1 is 3. AB squared minus b cubed. So this will be your pattern. So whenever you encounter the binomial raised to 3 or cube, then this will be your pattern. Okay, let us take this pattern. A minus b cube is equals to. Okay, let's erase this. A cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. So these two are your patterns. Okay, I will show you my technique on how to memorize these patterns. Okay, this is my style. I don't know if this is your style also. Okay, if this is your binomial, I'll take x and y, so it won't be the same. X plus y cube. So my technique in memorizing the pattern, I'll write x cube, then the second term x squared, then the third term x, then the fourth term no more first term. Now, second term, the last term, next, and the first term, no more second term. Okay? Cube, square, 1. Cube, square, 1. Then, add 3, add 3. If this is positive, then I will put positive here. Same? Yes, the same. How about negative? M minus P. cube. Okay. M cube, M squared, M, no more first term. Then, P cube, P squared, P, no more second term. Next, add 3 on the center terms. Then, positive, negative, positive, negative, alternate. So, exactly the same. That is how I memorize my pattern. I just want to share this. Okay, so I'll give you an example. Let's take this one. 5x plus 3. 5x plus 3 cube. Okay. Which pattern will be applied? Okay, this one. Positive. So, first term, second term. 5x cubed, 5x squared, 5x, then number 5x in the last term. Now, 3 cubed, 3 squared, 3, no more 3 on the first term. Now, add 3 on the middle terms. Then, since this is positive, this will become positive. Now, simplify. How will you simplify this? Distribute the exponents. Distribute the exponents. Okay, distribute the exponents. This will become what? 5 cubed x cubed plus 3 times 5 squared x squared times 3 plus 3 times 5x times 3 squared plus 3 cubed. Now, next, simplify. 5 times 5 times 5, 125x cubed. Now, simplify a number with exponent first. You have to prioritize this. 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 3, 75. 75 times 3, 225x squared. Then, okay, prioritize this. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 5, 45. 45 times 3, 135x. Then, 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. So, this will be your final answer. Next. Another example. Okay, let's take this. P squared t minus 3 cube. Okay. Equals first term, second term. P squared t cube, P squared t squared, P squared t. Okay, raised to the 1 power. Then, no more P squared t on the last term. How about the 3? 3 cube, 3 squared, 3. Then, add 3 on the middle terms. Now, what will be your sign? Since this is negative, this will become positive, this will become negative, this will become positive, this will become negative. Now, let's simplify. Distribute, 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 distribute. Okay, so this will become what? 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, cube. Minus 3. P to the 4th power, t squared times 3 plus. Now, 3 P squared t. 3 times 3 is 9 minus 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Then simplify again. This will become p raised to the 6th power, t cubed, minus 3 times 3 is 9, p to the 4th power, t squared, 3 times 9, 27, p squared t minus 27. So this will be your final answer. Okay? Next, I'll give you another one. 5m to the 4th power minus 1/5 n cube. Okay, let's try this. First term, second term. 5m to the 4th power cube. Then 5m to the 4th power squared. Then 5m to the 4th power raised to 1. Then no more 5m to the 4th power in the last term. Next, 1/5 n cube. 1/5 n squared. 1/5 n. Okay, no more. Next, add 3. Add 3. Next, what will be your sign? Since this is negative, this will become what? Positive, negative, positive, negative. Now, simplify. Okay, distribute, 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 distribute. Okay, next. What will become of this? 5 cube m. 4 times 3 is 12. Minus 3. 5 squared m. 4 times 2 is 8. Times 1/5 n. Plus 3. 5m to the 4th power 1/5 squared n squared minus 1/5 cube n cube. Okay, let's try. 5 cube, 4 times 3 is 12. 3, 5m squared, 5 squared, m to the 8th power, 4 times 2 is 8. 1/5 n, check. 3, 5m to the 4th power, 1/5 square, n square, 1/5 cube, n cube. Now, simplify. This will become what? 5 times 5 times 5. 125 m to the 12th power. Now, minus 3 times 25 times 1/5 m to 8 to the raised to 8 n plus 3 times 5 times 1/25. 5 times 5, 1 times 1. Then m to the 4th power n squared minus 1. 5 times 5 times 5, 125 n cube. Okay, so what will we do with this? 25 is equals to 5 times 5. 25 is equals to 5 times 5. Okay, so 5 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5. Okay, so what will come next? What will become next? 125 m raised to the 12th power minus 3 times 5 is 15. M raised to the 8th power times n plus 3 times 1 is 3 over 5. Okay, this will become 5 times 5. M to the 4th power n squared minus 1 over 125 n cubed. So this will be your final answer. Okay, question. 125, check. 5 is equals to 5 times 5 equals 25. Then 5 divided by 5, this will be cancelled out. What will remain is 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, check. M raised to the 8th power, n raised to the 1 power. Then 25 is equals to 5 times 5. 5 divided by 5 will be cancelled out. So 5 will remain as your denominator. 3 as your numerator. 3 times 1 is 3 over 5. M to the 4th power, n squared minus 125 n cubed. So, okay, check. Okay, so that's it.